Wish drop number 86.
Each person you meet in life creates your story. Humans, individual units living with other individual units, creating societies, creating countries, creating the world. When we grow up, we look at our parents and think more or less like them. Then we go to school, we meet new people and also starting thinking a little bit different. Then we start working and we look at our colleagues, we exchange our ideas, and then we start traveling and meet new cultures, get to know their differences, and our perspective also changes.
Life, amazing life, changes every time. There are many chapters of our story, the book that I rewrite by our behavior, by our experience, about what we think, what we do. It's amazing. So this is the story of our life, and we create that story, but we are not alone, and we do not create them by ourselves only. Around us there are people that really are close to us, that sometimes not, they appear and disappear, but they changes our life.
We should have the best book and the best chapters of our stories, and this is only possible when we have people around us and the changes in our life are not bad, they're always great. The thing is that they need to be done together with other people, because other people and each person create our story, each person create our book, the book of life, and this is very important. By exchanging ideas, by exchanging memories, by exchanging our experiences everywhere, where are we? We create our story, and the people create our story. And how to do this? Listen, it's easy. Just be with people. Just look at them, observe them, and appreciate that they are, and they can create the story with you, because their story might be having such an impact on the story of our life. So enjoy living with people.